Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography and myself Akshay Guru. So I'm here with one interesting review of the book. Okay, review in a sense what I'm going to going to discuss this particular book. Okay, in few different sections. क्योंकि this book is basically I found much interesting for the case of understanding world geography and mapping. As many of this candidate student they have asked me, sir, say what we are supposed to do with the say the world mapping and world geography as in, right? So I just came across one of this interesting book, in fact written by the team Marshall, and in this book you can use this particular information जो अभी हम इसके successive videos में discuss करेंगे, almost like 8 to 9 10 videos होंगे. Okay, so in this particular discussion, as in what we are going to do, like deal with, it's simply that we will connect, right, this information given in the book. I have already made that particular note for you, again keeping it as interesting as possible कि जहाँ पे maps हो सकते हैं, जहाँ पे कुछ और interesting diagram figures हो सकते हैं, so that you guys will find it much interesting. ओके अब इसका यूज कहां पे कर सकते हो मैं ये बता दूं, देन विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद, सी दिस जस्ट कैन बी यूज अगेन फर्स्ट फॉर योर मैपिंग स्किल्स एंड एबिलिटीज. Second, this book, okay, and its study will further help you just to have a important case study about any particular region aspects of that way. You can even quote this book while writing an answer. According to this book Prisoners of Geography written by the team Marshall, it explains this fact, right? तो world में जो geopolitical aspects हैं, this geopolitical aspect you guys can as well have better connect with the due to or with this particular book. See why I have I'm going to have number of such kind of reviews just for the matter कि आपको ज्योग्राफी ऑप्शनल के लिए, ज्योग्राफी जीएस के लिए और बाकी आपका जो ज्योग्राफिकल राइट यूजीसी नेट और सारे कुछ चीज़ों में जो यूज़ होता है, सो फॉर दैट मैटर आई बिलीव दिस काइंड ऑफ बुक रिव्यू एंड information, rather review से भी better मैं बोलूँगा इसको, that is something that I'm just trying to explain you guys in terms of notes and again just to have a better clarity. तो ये जो डिस्कशन हम करेंगे इन द फर्दर अपकमिंग वीडियोज एज वेल, सो देयर यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट एवरीथिंग अबाउट वर्ल्ड मैपिंग. Equally, different case studies you guys will be having with you to equip with. You can use this book while writing an answer, quote it as well. और geopolitical aspects जो है world में जो कुछ चीज़ें हो रही है वो आपको समझ आई. जैसे for example, see, I find this book really interesting because it was written in say in published in actually 2015. राइट और उस टाइम ही इसमें प्रेडिक्ट कर दिया था कि रशिया एंड यूक्रेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज बाउंड टू हैपन फर्दर इन फ्यूचर. सी इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट, क्योंकि 2014-15 में क्रीमिया एनेक्सेशन तो वैसे भी रशिया ने किया ही था, बट रशिया इज गोइंग टू, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस बुक, और विल इन्वेड द यूक्रेन एंड द रीजन एक्चुअली लाइज इन द ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, तो आई फाइंड, और बहुत सारे प्रेडिक्शंस ऑलरेडी कर रखे हैं इसमें, क्योंकि यू विल फाइंड पास्ट रिपीट इटसेल्फ, है ना, और द हिस्ट्री रिपीट इटसेल्फ. तो बहुत सारे उससे इनपुट्स लेकर इस बुक्स में यू विल फाइंड दोज प्रेडिक्शंस हैव ऑलरेडी बीन मेड. विदाउट वेस्टिंग फर्दर टाइम, व्हाट आई जस्ट वांट टू स्टार्ट विद द this book and related information. See, the name of the book is Prisoners of Geography, 10 maps that tell you everything you need to know about global politics, है ना. See, simply 10 chapters है, 10 different maps as well, those are being given, and those maps have been explained in such a easy lucid manner so that you guys should have a clear understanding about कि कैसे कैसे topographical changes हो रहे हैं over on any different continent or a region, और ये जो topographical या geography है ये कैसे impact कर रही है on all forms of your life, है ना. See, why the term, first try to understand the name, title of the book, Prisoners of Geography. You know, like Mr. Putin जिससे ये book start हो रही है, you me and any other individual on this earth surface is knowingly or unknowingly, according to the author, is like a prisoners of geography. The reason being that everything that happens on the earth's surface is connected with the very aspects of geographical factor. जैसे कि why there is like a instability over in the Afghanistan, now look for the geographical factor. Why there is again kind of a Palestine and Israel wall, that is a pretty much repetitive phenomena. क्यों हो रहा है? Ask the reason to the geography. Then again, why Africa is again having, the civil war, unrest, or why North America is comparatively more developed, and why it is US is a superpower, right? Every answer you guys can find over in this book, that is given over there. And it just because the geography defines your destiny, that every one of us is having the impact on the geographical factors on our overall decision making. इसीलिए इस book का नाम रखा है by the Tim Marshall. He was like a journalist, and based on all his experiences, I really find his, the details those are being given in the book, I really appreciate those things, means on like whatever understanding I have. So it has been written, in much comparatively depth, and again for the case of our general studies, for the case of our geographical understanding, ये book हमारे लिए enough है. Hardly 200 पेजेस की बुक है, दो इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट एक्चुअली कि किसी 200 पेज में आप सारी की सारी जियोपॉलिटिक्स और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. बट आई पर्सनली फाइंड दिस इज अ रियली गुड अटेम्प्ट बाय दैट ऑथर, again, to achieve his that goal, and to prove yes, we all are like a prisoners of geography. Okay, so I would strongly recommend you guys, अगर possible हो तो वीडियोस भी देखने हैं आपको सारे, राइट, जिससे आपको वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी के क्वेश्चंस भी आंसर करते आएंगे, इक्वली अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी होगी जियोपॉलिटिक्स, और जिसको आप फर्दर यूज भी कर सकते हो. एंड आफ्टर द वीडियोस, राइट, वाचिंग द वीडियोस, यू गाइज आर सपोज टू गो थ्रू बुक, आपको और ज्यादा बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगी. ठीक है, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ योर टाइम फर्दर, मैं आपको अभी इस बुक के और इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देता हूँ, राइट. तो पहले इसमें हम रिव्यू देखेंगे. सी, दिस बुक वाज बेसिकली by this particular publisher and was in 2015. Okay, so 2015 में first published in the Great Britain, in 2015 by the Eliot and the Thomson Limited. ठीक है, तो ये बुक वहाँ पर published हुई है, और now it is one of the best selling book as well. तो इसका use कर सकते हैं for sure. In this book, see, there are like say different units, or I would say index units as such, right. तो ये है index limit, जैसे introduction over there, Russia, China, United States, Western Europe, Africa, Middle East, India and Pakistan, Korea and Japan, Latin America and the Arctic, right. Every other geographical continental position, their significant locations have already been discussed there. ठीक है, और उनका सिर्फ डिस्कस भी नहीं किया, उनका कनेक्ट भी किया कि how actually they lead to, a changes over in the like that overall geographical behavior of the human being. Next है बाकी कंक्लूजन और एक्नॉलेजमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस, हम अभी इंट्रोडक्शन वाला पॉइंट डिस्कस कर लेंगे, जिससे आई फील यू गाइस शैल फाइंड लॉट्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इन गोइंग फर्दर इनटू द डिटेल्स अबाउट द बुक. क्यों? क्योंकि इसका इंट्रोडक्शन ही इतने वे में कर रखा है ना, इट इज रियली interesting on this count, means that way it is really best of this kind. So see, the book started with the introduction में है व्लादिमीर पुतिन, जिसको जैसे बेसिकली सी व्लादिमीर पुतिन कंसिडर्ड हिमसेल्फ, ही इज हाईली रिलीजियस मैन, and what अब यहाँ पे what he dream he should have, or what he would rather ask to the God, says he is a religious man, a great supporter of the Russian Orthodox Church. If so, he may well go to the bed each night, says his prayer, and ask God, why didn't you put some mountain in Ukraine? See, मतलब मिस्टर पुतिन क्या क्वेश्चन पूछते होंगे एज सच विद द गॉड, दैट व्हाई डिडंट यू हैव पुट इन सम माउंटेन्स ओवर इन द यूक्रेन. नाउ व्हाट डज इट मीन बाय माउंटेन्स नहीं है ना, क्वेश्चन तो यही है ना कि नहीं, व्हाई डिडंट यू पुट इन, राइट. इट मीन्स this region must be something, right, मतलब ये डिप्रेशन भी हो सकता है, but this region is actually a great plain of Europe. Great Plain of Europe. And you know, having this particular Great Plain of Europe is the reason for sleepless nights of Mr. Putin, of of Peter the Great, of again the Ivan the Terrible, and all those czars, those ruled in the, you know, rule the region of Russia and surrounding region. तो ये मिस्टर पुतिन का ही एक सेपरेट क्वेश्चन नहीं है या यूनिक क्वेश्चन नहीं है. एवरी रूलर ऑफ रशिया had this kind of question, you know, and the answer is again connected with the geography. I hope you guys are getting it. देखो इसका introduction ही इस way में किया है. Now, if God had built mountains in Ukraine, then the great expanse of the flatland that is in the North European plain would not be such encouraging territory from which to attack Russia repeatedly, right? Repeatedly, in a sense कि रशिया का ये जो ग्रेट प्लेन वाला रीजन है या यूक्रेन वाला जो रीजन है वो वल्नरेबल है. सिंपली सी ज्योग्राफी हाउ इट कम्स इनटू एंड हाउ इट मेक्स द रीजन अनसस्टेनेबल, अनसुटेबल, डिस्टर्ब एंड हैविंग ए स्लीपलेस नाइट्स टू द रूलर्स. That as it is, Putin has no choice. He must at least attempt to control the flatlands to the west. So it is with all nations, or big or small, the landscape imprisons their leaders. See how geography, we are all prisoners of geography. The landscape imprisons their leaders, giving them fewer choices and less room to maneuver than you might think. Geography or that landscape has put you, like decision makers, into the prison or like into the, you know, a closed chamber. tab accordingly decision lena hai. This was true of the Athenian Empire, the Persian, the Babylonians, and before it was true every leader seeking the high ground from which to protect their tribe. Yes, I hope ये जो इंट्रोडक्शन बुक का किया है आपको यहाँ से बहुत सारी चीजें क्लियर हो रही होगी अकॉर्डिंगली. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट the land. Further what I find, see geography में एक philosophy है, that is determinism, and how this book it simply subscribe to this particular philosophy. You can use or understand, you know, while quoting, why you can quote this particular paragraph over in the answer writing. There was a question like Ellen Churchill Semple was an ardent geographer, right? Like तो इसमें कहीं लिखने में आप यूज कर सकते हो. देखो कैसे, दिस इज व्हाट इज स्पेस डिटर्मिनिज्म और जियोग्राफिकल डिटर्मिनिज्म. द लैंड ऑन विच वी लिव हैज ऑलवेज शेप्ड अस, है ना, ऑलवेज शेप्ड अस. कि जैसे एंशिएंट इंडिया में बिहेवियर और कल्चर और द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एम्पायर कैसे किस चीज पे डिपेंडेंट था, ऑन द लैंडस्केप और ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स. इट हैज शेप्ड द वॉर्स, the power, the politics and social development of the people that now inhabit nearly every part of the earth. Technology may seem to overcome the distances. Yeah, technology seems to overcome the distances. पहले यूरोप और इंडिया से जाने के लिए पहले it had take, you know, it must be like almost more than a month. Now अब hardly few hours, within few hours you can reach over to the destination, right? That is the concept of plastic space. अगर पता है guys आपको तो एक बार इस पे search कर सकते हो, है ना, and let me know in the comment box कि exactly plastic space क्या है. So it overcomes the distances between us in both mental and physical space, but it is easy to forget that the land where we live, work and raise our children is hugely important, and that the choices of those who lead the 7 billion inhabitants of this planet, now 8 billion, will to some degree always be shaped by the rivers, mountains, deserts, lakes and seas that constrain us all, as they always have. Yes, देखो यहाँ से फिर से डिटर्मिनिज्म या कैसे geographical factors impact कर रहे हैं the overall conditions. Then the physical realities that underpin national and international politics are too often disregarded in both writing about history and in contemporary reporting of the world affairs. Geography is clearly a fundamental part of the why as well as what. Like why Hamas attacked on the Israel, and then what kind of implication it would have, right? ये सारे answers आपको geography से मिलेंगे. करंट अफेयर से मैं कनेक्ट कर रहा हूं, राइट? व्हाई यूएस इज द सुपर पावर नाउ, ओनली सुपर पावर, एंड व्हाई चाइना इज सुपर पावर टू बी, राइट? इसके भी आंसर ज्योग्राफी इज इन द बेस्ट पोजीशन टू, यू नो, आंसर इट देन, राइट? देन एक फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देखो डिस्कस किया इंडिया और चाइना वाले नेबर्स, राइट? दैट टू very large neighbor China and India, two massive countries with huge populations that share a very long border but are not politically or culturally aligned, because see they are not, as you can see Indians का और Chinese का culture बहुत ज़्यादा difference है. They don't even look like the same, they don't even have the same racial background, they don't even have the same cultural and festivals as well, right? So इनमें इतने सारे differences and even the trade between them is much less. Why? Right? Now geography comes into play, the role of geography. See, it wouldn't be surprising if these two giants had fought each other in several wars. But in fact, apart from 1 month long battle in 1962 Indo-China war, they never have. And why? Ask geography the answer. Because between them is the highest mountain range in the world, and it is practically impossible to advance large military columns through or over the Himalayas. As technology became more sophisticated, देखो अब इसमें सारा ऐसे नहीं किया कि सिर्फ geography is the only case, उसने साथ ही साथ जो evolving changes आ रहे हैं in the humanity, right, वो भी consider किया, but still it is impossible to advance large military columns, and like as technology becomes more sophisticated, of course ways are emerging of overcoming this obstacle, but the physical barrier remains a deterrent, and so both countries focus their foreign policy on other regions while keeping a wary eye on each other. Yeah, wary eye on each other. Seeing geography as a decisive factor in the course of human history can be construed as a bleak view of the world affairs, which is why it is disliked in some intellectual circles. कि geography को ही अगर हम factor consider करेंगे तो it may be, you know, like many intellectuals won't agree on this, but it suggests that nature is more powerful than man. Determinism है ना, determinism जो geography की philosophy है वहाँ पे 11th geography NCERT के first chapter में determinism has already been discussed there, and there that we can go only so far in determining our own fate, right? Own fate. Factors clearly have influence on events too. Any sensible person can see that technology, ये accept भी कर रहा है role of technology now in the contemporary world, is bending the iron rules of geography. It has found ways over, under or though some of the barriers. The Americans can now fly a plane all the way from Missouri to the Mosul on a bombing mission without needing to land to refuel. Yes, that is what a technological development that we have achieved. That along with their great aircraft carrier battle groups means they no longer absolutely have to have an ally or a colony in order to extend their global reach around the world. Of course, if they do have an airbase on the island of Diego Garcia or permanent access to the port in Bahrain, then they have more options, but it is essential. Yes, देखो technology का rule भी बताया, but still having that options, right, that those options are absolutely advisable. So air power has changed the rules as in a different way has the internet, but geography and the history of how nations have established themselves within that geography remains a crucial to our understanding of the world and to our future as well. Yes, and at the last, how introduction, it concludes the introduction, author, what are those rules? The place to begin is in the land where power is hard to defend, and so for centuries its leaders have compensated by pushing outward. Yeah, they just try to keep their, you know, expansion कि वो safe or secured रहे. Yes, and this, it is the land without mountains to its west, that is the Russia. So the book now, this is how he introduced with the next topic, right, Russia. So I hope guys आपको ये जो पॉइंट था, है ना, कि इंट्रोडक्शन वाला पॉइंट, ये बुक वाला, ये आपको क्लियर समझ आ गया होगा। देखो इस बुक्स पे आई थिंक इतना कंटेंट रीड करके अब आपको इस बुक में इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट होने लगा होगा कि हाउ सी द ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स इसमें रोल प्ले करेंगे। और डोंट नाउ इवन इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ए जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, स्टिल बिलीव मी, राइट, इस बुक से आप वर्ल्ड मैपिंग के बहुत जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स ले सकते हो। that is my task, as in I'll make sure कि ये सारी कुछ चीज़ें आपको हो जाएगी। एक बार जैसे देखोगे आप रिव्यूज़ में, मैंने ट्राई किया है कि आपको बहुत डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट से मैं इस बुक को एक्सप्लेन करूँ, है ना। सो that is why, see how Putin and pizza, those are connected, Russian beer, why Russia is only like a European power, danger for the Russia, and like history and geography of it, everything you will find. I tried my best कि मैं आपको एक best package में दे सकता हूँ, right? So this is my genuine attempt to help you guys with the with the prisoners of geography and that book, and I'll try कि मैं और भी books की ऐसे ही summaries and reviews, right, in my own way. I am trying to be like having my own way कि मैं आपको वो explain कर सकूँ, and you guys will have a better understanding about this then. So yes, this is all about for this particular introduction and the review of the book first, right? इसके बाद में अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसके one by one each चैप्टर को हम ना कुछ वीडियोस में डिस्कस करेंगे। एज आई टोल्ड यू 8 to 9 10 वीडियोस ऑलमोस्ट बनेंगे उसमें। तो आई एक्सपेक्ट यू गाइज टू वॉच ऑल दोज वीडियोस, एंड बिलीव मी, एट द एंड ऑफ दिस ऑल दोज वीडियोस you will be having much comfortable with the world mapping, and you will be much thankful to the author as well. So chalo, thank you guys, and yeah, if you haven't liked this video, so please like it, subscribe, and yes, subscribe this channel Geo for Geography. Thank you.